Hey, what's up you guys? This is Anthony here from the Ultralight Backpacker. Today we got a different video for you. We're car camping and we're doing a YouTube group meetup. We're doing a little Christmas holiday meetup here. We're at the Mission Creek Stone House out here in Mission Creek Preserve. Jason from Hook Outdoors has been coming out here for a few years, along with Mike and his family from Love to Wander. So I'm out here finally. I'll be joining along. We're gonna spend the night tonight, have a bunch of people here, some good food, good times, and just enjoy the holiday season out here on a beautiful weekend in the Palm Springs desert. Got my little humble abode set up here for the night. On the first one here, I've got the Eureka Mountain Pass 3 tent. I've got an REI camp bed 2.5 in there, self-inflating mat, very comfortable. The Z-Packs 30-degree solo quilt, and some other odds and ends, clothes and that sort of thing. So I'm excited to go to sleep tonight in this big girl. Plenty of room in here for one guy, and the weather looks like it's nice, so I'm gonna leave the vestibule off for tonight. Obviously we're car camping, so I'm wearing my big rice farmer hat, so you know it's gonna be a good time. And then I've got my little charging station here. Got my little Lucy light, it's a Luminade brand, so that's charging. I got this other little light bulb. It's a little Chinese light that I got years ago that I love to use. And then just my little Voyager emergency radio. I like this. I get all the 7 weather bands. Alright guys, everything's all set up. So we're gonna make a nice little cup of coffee as always. Backpacking favorite, car camping favorite too, some G7 coffee. And as always, the miso soup. Thanks to Matt over at Lead Me Outdoors. Check out his channel. Best videos I know of in the San Bernardino National Forest. And he also eats the best soup. It's miso soup he turned me on to. It's awesome. Crank it up to high. And this water will probably be done in about 2 minutes flat. Down the G7 coffee, and time for the main course here. See, you got some good seaweed there. And I'm not sure what those are, like water chestnuts, but this is one of the best things you could ever have on trail. This is so much better than coffee. The flavor just hits you like a school bus. It's so good. It's lightweight. Ooh, I'm getting warm just drinking this now finally. You can drink it just like coffee or eat it like, you know, with a spoon. This miso soup is the best thing I think I've ever had on the trail. It is so good and it's so cheap. It's like a 3-pack for like $2 at Walmart. So once again, thanks Matt for showing me these things. These are like little gems of gold on the trail, man. All right, late to lunch here. Chicken and dumplings. We had a bunch of campers show up, so we were chit-chatting and, you know, all that good stuff.
Yeah, I'm worried about it.
So let's get this going. We got 12 ounces of water. I'm gonna use this as my windbreak. There we are. Full roll and boil. Step. You want to get most of the air out of this. You don't want to heat up dead space. Throw that off. Boom. And we'll let that sit and cook for 15 minutes. Alright guys, we're out here at the Stone House, and this place is awesome. It's around 3:30 now, so I was here solo for a few hours, which was really cool. Then I met Susan and Christine out here from Love to Wander. Mike's coming in later. He was hiking in from his house, so I think that's about a 15 or 17 mile jaunt, so that's pretty rad. Met a couple cool guys out here. Paul, search and rescue guy. Donnie drove out from Arizona. I just met Jose. Finally got to meet Charlie, which is awesome. That dude is super cool character. Jason will be out here later. Monica, a bunch of other people that I haven't met yet. And I'm sure I'm forgetting some names, but so far so good. You know, there's a couple dudes here already and we're already having a blast. As you can see, the view behind me is beautiful. There's a snow-capped mountain behind me where my head is, somewhere down yonder. If I was a betting man, I think that'd be San Gorgonio, down in that direction. I'm gonna eat my mountain house, my late lunch here at 3:30, and then I've got a really nice New York strip steak for later that I will video and see how it goes. So,
Canon. I know exactly who you.
Chicken and dumplings for the win once again.
But they had the other one that the pock face to be. He talks about my hats and stuff even more than the other one.
All right, let's get this old girl going.
So this one I took. It's not even 4x4. I took this one out.
As long as you carry a compressor.
A what?
As long as you have a compressor. I gotta get one. I don't want to get one of those little cheap.
Well,
I don't even know what that is.
what, Sue? You get stuck with a dog, and look what I get stuck.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, his Christmas present.
And then one hits like this.
I have mine on the front.
You gotta.
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know what it's. How big is that?
Trying to
I
get
don't
a
know.
stand.
It's at least 70.
So we got the Eureka Mountain Pass 3 tent with the Z-Packs 30-degree solo quilt and the REI Camp 2.5 pad self-inflating. Should work out pretty nice. Just some extra clothes. It's a 3-man tent, so I'm gonna have plenty of room in here with me tonight.
Hello.
All right, there we go. We got Huckster here.
Howdy.
Thanks, Huck, for the invite, bro.
Oh, you're welcome.
Oh, it's not gonna focus.
One day.
Oh, there we
It's
go.
my ugly mug that's not focusing. Sorry, broke your camera. Look at that. Broke the camera.
Oh my God, what the hell's going on? Oh well, that's still going in there.
There we go. Yeah, every year it's annual camp out. All our hiking, camping buddies. Everybody's like family out here. So.
Yeah, there's a ton of people, man.
Yeah.
There's like 30 people out here, so this is an awesome turnout.
It is, and Monica puts it all together, got all the permits and everything, and
Right on.
prizes for the games that we're playing.
Yeah, I saw she got a Christmas tree and like
yeah.
gifts and stuff, so that's pretty cool. So
Oh, yeah.
just showing off my little apartment for the night, and we got everyone else set up too, which is amazing. We've got people got, you know, as you can see, all the lights and everything, so it's pretty awesome. Pretty awesome out here. Mike's tent here, love to wander. He's got the full Christmas setup going here, lights and all. Everyone is very festive this evening, and I just got my lantern down there just to shed some light on this bad boy.
How often do you put content on it?
All right, guys, we got a nice New York strip steak here, USDA Prime. I'm gonna hit this with some Huck's rub. Oh yeah, baby. We're gonna go a little heavy on this too.
Some of that I just don't like. I'd want to stamp it. Dude, it looks like.
And a little salt too. And we'll go on top with a little butter. So that's gonna be my steak. We're gonna cook it in some olive oil and butter, which is in the pot over here.
They have a good heart, and I like them, and I still watch them, but I'm like, dude, actually, I do.
Mine.
Oh yeah, look at that bad boy right there. This thing should redone. All right. Let's take a look at this bad boy here. Oh yeah, it looks great right there. Beautiful.
Yeah, but there's nobody there to see it. Might as well let it go. And just, oh my God, I just don't really talk to you. But that's the, I have. That's, when I met Dara, we went out to lunch.
Oh yeah.
And I was talking about that. And they could not understand my way of thinking.
Oh, it's so freaking good.
Shot, Donnie.
What's that?
Shot.
I probably need to get something big before that. I've been really hungry for this. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, that's okay.
You get days like that?
Oh no.
Maybe it's the drive, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it was Chris to drive. I bought a roasted sandwich for the drive down here.
It's like you ate a roasted sandwich.
Yeah, look.
Nobody that, did anybody see it? Did you take a picture? And you didn't eat it. He only eats oatmeal and salad. It's like everybody in the whole world offers him something to eat, and he doesn't eat oatmeal and salad.
What's the difference between?
No, but he's doing it for his diet. And it's not on your end, but to them sometimes if they're offering.
I know some people take it.
You should accept.
My mom's like that. She offers food and turns down and take it in. So.
My mom didn't offer anything to eat. She offered something to drink.
So good.
My mom's mom was like that.
Alright guys, going to bed for the night. You can see you got the little bonfire going on out there with propane stoves. So there's no campfires allowed up here. So we've got little propane stoves going. I'm gonna call it a night. Catch you in the morning. Alright, just showing everyone that kind of showed up. I'm about to leave here. Got Hector over here. You've seen him in one of my videos before from Hector Outdoors. Mike, Susan, and Christine over here from Love to Wander. Mike, thanks for the stickers, bro. Appreciate it.
No problem.
Right on, so we'll be seeing more of these guys in the future.
Videographer.
Cutest little puppy in town. Now, what you whipping up here, Charlie?
My super secret coffee.
Ooh.
This is a preview for tomorrow's contest.
Nice.
From the
bro.
dollar store.
Nice. Ooh.
Now everyone knows. The whole world's gonna know.
He's gonna poison himself.
Now I'll never find another pack at 99-cent store.
Charlie's got the Lunar Solo, another awesome shelter. I've been meaning to meet this guy for years, man. Cool dude. So it's nice to meet you, brother.
Same here, man. I always see your videos. Haven't gotten a chance in the last year to get out though.
That's all good, man. We'll definitely get out in the future here.
There you go.
That was my Rocco, but he passed away. He went to Dougie.
Oh my god, dude, are you Jason from Huck Outdoors?
I'm getting on camera. This is my secret location.
Just hanging out here, about to leave. Gotta thank David over here for making me a wicked cup of coffee. Thanks, man.
No problem, man.
It's nice to meet you, bro. Jason, thanks for inviting me out here, dude.
Oh, no problem.
So, good little trip. It's a little bright out here, but beautiful nonetheless. Take a look inside the cabin.
Here we go. Cecil B.
Here comes trouble.
Morning, good morning. Okay, we'll talk later, guys. I don't know. You can call the truck driver. Only truck driver. Go ahead, Jerry. Oh, okay. Hey, we'll talk about it. We'll talk about it. You know.
The freaking pranksters in here.
Big man here, he's skinny because and Germans don't understand it. So that's where I called it.
Look at this freaking setup you guys got over here, man. You really did bring the kitchen sink, huh?
Almost.
Yeah, it was nice to meet you, man. Good to meet all these guys.
Likewise, man.
I've actually met everyone here but Paul. So this is my first time meeting Paul. Donnie's out here from Arizona.
Name, but Paul. It's Paul, okay?
Just Paul.
Make sure.
Just make sure you tell your friends.
It's not. You know. He is. I'll probably put it on the internet. The interweb. Uh-oh, you missed. It didn't turn on.
The gift of giving, man. Yeah, of course, man. So we all kind of brought little gifts to give here. I'm leaving early today, so I brought a little Zelf type stove, Cat Cam Fancy Feast. The thought that counts.
I'll make sure I light it in my tent.
Right on, bro. Rest in peace. All right, guys, that's gonna end our stay here at the Stone House at Mill Creek Preserve. It's been a fun trip. I gotta leave early, but thanks for watching. Thanks for coming along. We just hit 1,000 subscribers, which is really awesome. So at some point this year, I want to do some sort of subscriber meetup, a little car camp, or maybe a backpack trip. So leave a comment down below. What would you like to do? Would you like to car camp, or would you like to go on a little quick overnight backpacking trip, something easy that everyone can get out to? I can set up. Like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you on the next adventure.